Very good afternoon, everyone. This is Vyom Jaiswal from EduGlobe Consultants. And today we are going to talk about study in Germany with our very special guest, Ms. Surbi Parmar, Business Development Manager, Berlin School of Business and Innovation, or more popularly known as BSBI. So this will be an interactive session, and any of the viewers who want to ask any questions can shoot their questions in the chat box, and we'll ask Surbi those questions and we can take that forward. So, Surbi, without further ado, the stage is all yours. So, we'd like to know a bit about BSBI.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so before starting with BSBI, I would like to briefly tell you about GUS, Global University System, that the flagship company, our parent company. It's a billion-dollar UK enterprise, which is a network of institutes, affiliates, and it partners, works across border for education. 80% of the institute that GUS have is totally owned by them. We have public universities as well under us. We have massive presence all over the world. We have institutes in Canada, we have in Germany, we have in America. Now we have massive presence in UK as well with 5 universities, including University of Law. So Berlin School of Business Innovation is the G6 leading institute. What does it mean? It's one of the top 6 institute of GUS. Okay, it's the leading private B school located in Germany's vibrant capital, Berlin. Now, enterprise leadership success. These are the 3 words that BSBI works on. These are the core mantras for BSBI, and we provide industry relevant programs. We equip students with skills. We enhance them that they can thrive in their professional front. They can thrive in their careers. Okay, we have students currently studying from across 30 different nationalities at one platform. We have world-class partners with us, providing degrees. Yeah, so that's about BSBI to start off with.
So, can you just explain where BSBI is located? Like, how many campuses do you have and in which locations?
Okay, so we have, as the name suggests, our main campus is in Berlin. Campus is located in the heart of the city, Schöneberg, which is a bustling town. It's very nearby from Potsdamer. Now, why am I mentioning that is just a thrown away distance, because all the corporations, all the top headquarters, all the top companies are nearby. We are talking about IKEA, we are talking about Daimler, we are talking about Sony, we are talking about Deutsche Bank. It's all nearby. So that's the one campus, that the prime campus we have. Now we have one campus in Hamburg city as well, known as the creative capital of Europe, after London, of course, a very affordable one. There we are offering all our creative courses. Now, seeing the pandemic situation and the kind of process Germany have, because there are appointments that are needed. So that we'll cover later in this session. We have campus in France, that's Paris. Then we have a campus in Greece, Athens, where we are providing different yet the same Berlin courses in these campuses also. So altogether we have 4. You can study with us in Berlin, you can study with us in Hamburg, you can study with us via Greece and France, which are our pathways.
Yeah. So that's very interesting to know. And we'll talk about these campuses in detail after, in the session. And so the next question would be, why BSBI?
Okay, so for me, first thing which matters a lot is the location of any institute, because that carries a lot of factors that decides how the student's education, the overall life for him will go. So as I just told you, we are centrally located when it comes to Berlin campus. We have always taken this into consideration, that our campuses, our institute, the structure is located in such place. So when I'm telling you, student is very near to Potsdamer, where all the corporations are. Okay, so you can imagine student is never far away from the opportunities, whether it's a part-time opportunities, whether it's a full-time opportunity, right? Secondly, like if after we are talking about location, everyone, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Just confirm me once. Yeah.
Yes.
So when it comes to Hamburg, it's a creative capital. All the agencies, all the Oscar nominated agencies which work in VFX, animation, all are located in Hamburg. Hence, we have chosen this as a location. Same goes with Paris and Greece also. Student can explore two different international, cultural exposure student will have. So, of course, the location. Second, the mantra which we, BSBI, our team has given to our institute is affordability meets quality. We never compromises on that. You have a lot of institutes, you have a lot of courses around the globe, but here we have taken into consideration that there is no compromises when it comes to quality. However, it should not burn the pocket of the student while gaining that education. Okay. Next thing is our world class partners. So our partners first is UK University, which is University of Creative Arts, again a GUST product. We have Concordia University of Chicago from USA. We have an Italian university, University of Tuno. Okay, these universities we have brought up all the best selling and the best programs, and we have bought them for you, for the students, in a platter. Okay, this is the only institute which is offering which have three different countries, universities, top leading universities working with us. When it comes to University of Creative Arts, is the 7th ranked gold standard university of UK. Okay, the management program they offer are 5th in ranking. So you can imagine the kind of quality the program have, the kind of modules the program have. Apart from that, what makes BSBI different when it comes to Germany, the programs are taught in English, which is one of the most primary requirement if students want to go for Germany and still want to continue the study in English. So yeah, we teach in English. However, we never forget that how important it is for students to study in a place where there is a major local language speaking going on. So we know the benefit and the importance of German language. So Vyom, in our institute, we teach free German language for the entire duration. Okay, so students studying in bachelor's, they'll have a 3-hour classes. They can decide with the professors when they want to have that in the whole span. And that goes introductory level, advanced level, and the business level. When it comes to masters, the classes, because the duration is less, the classes go 6 hours a week, and then again student can decide. So we teach German language as free. Now, very worth mentioning point that BSBI is a TELC approved center for taking German exams. Now, how that makes a difference? All the professionals in Berlin, all the different universities and institute students come down to Berlin to write their German exam. For a student of BSBI, it's like just going on the top floor and giving their German exam. And BSBI absorbs the first cost of this exam that student is writing. So that means the first exam that student will give is free of cost. So we teach German language till B2 level to a student. Okay. A very important major highlighter of BSBI is the kind of commercial partners we have. We just don't focus on education and just studies. We focus on the overall development in BSBI, and in fact how student is surviving, what are the needs, what are the requirements when a student is leaving their country, coming all together to a different place which is very new, how to make that very comfortable. So we have partners with a firm, a law firm, SRES, in which when student lands, starting from the resident permit of the student till the end, that is PSW, we help student and we bear all that cost. This service is free of cost. And I proudly mention that because very few institutes, in fact, I have never come across someone doing that much, where PSW is help. It's like the card is being handed over to the student. The file is made by the lawyers. In the student is landing in Germany at that moment, resident permit is also taken care by those lawyers. So these are the kind of services that BSBI is providing to students. Apart from that, we have partnership with DAG and TAG. These are the leading insurance firms that provide insurance just to public universities. But at BSBI, student can get the benefit of insurance from these leading institutes. We have tie-ups with a lot of accommodation partners. We have tie-ups with a lot of banks as well. Overall process, every time a student need to phase out from somewhere, BSBI is there to help. Okay. Then we have a very flexible study plan, Vyom, in our institute. The classes are for Unit Uno program is just for 2 days. I repeat that. The classes are just for 2 days in the whole week. We completely understand the kind of the pressure student have for studies. So that's how we have designed our courses. Okay. In BSBI, there are no exams as such. We evaluate student on the basis of assignments, projects, assessments, their dissertations. These are the checkpoints. So there are no exams. Student can I know they are very happy hearing this. Yeah. So when it comes to unit,
yeah. Can you tell us about the intakes that you have? And one of the most major questions that people are asking right now is, do we have the September intake open? Because in most countries, September intake is already closed.
I know. So when it comes to intakes, the major intakes we have are February and October. Then there is May as well. But major ones are February, October. Currently, we are recruiting for October. Yes, that is possible. But for masters, of course. September intake and January intake are there for France and Greece. So Greece embassy is about to open. So yes, definitely anyone interested interested in studying at BSBI via Greece pathway, they are most welcome. We are giving admissions are still open. They can do that.
That's awesome, because we had a few queries regarding September, October intake. So I'll share some files with you as well.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Can you give us a brief insight on the top UG courses that you have and unki eligibilities kya hai?
Okay. So the courses we have in UG are in partnership with UCA. So we have international business management. In that we have pathways like supply chain management is there. We have strategic leadership and TQM, logistic. All these are the pathways that person can elect. Then we have a very famous program and I like to put it out there. That's BA in Tourism and Hospitality Management. This program is empaneled with the government, with the Ministry of Tourism. How that makes a difference? The moment student goes out with the CV with this degree, automatically gets an edge when it comes to competition, of course, in opportunities. We have digital marketing BSc that student can opt for. We have new course launched, BSc in computer science and digitization. So apart from business programs, now you can recruit students for computers as well. And these programs are for 3 and 4 years. Eligibility criteria, 60% is the requirement for 3-year program. From any state board, ISC, CBSC, 60% is the requirement. However, if you have 50 to 59%, then also you are most welcome for the admission, but then you have to go for the 4-year course.
That's interesting. And so you told me, like we were discussing a few days back, and you told me that you have some new courses coming up. So I guess these are the courses that you just mentioned about, right?
Yeah, so the computer science bachelor's one is the new program. And then in PG, we have global MBA, we have MSc in digital marketing, we have MSc in finance and investment. That program is top 10 in Europe. Then we have 2 new programs, MSc in data analytics and MSc in information and management. Very good scholarship we are currently offering. Let me first cover the eligibility. Eligibility criteria remains the same, 60%. However, if you have some kind of experience with you and you have percentage that goes 50 to 56, we are still happy to give you admission in that scenario. So we have new computer-based program, basically IT programs with us.
And we'd like to know about the scholarships that you are offering for these new programs.
Okay. So for new programs, it's crazy scholarship currently going on, and all the scholarships of Vyom are valid till 31st of December this year. Okay. Currently, for IT programs in master, we have flat 40% scholarship going on for every student that will study with us. The fee structure is 12,000 euros for whole 18 months. Reducing 40%, it comes down to 70 to 100 euros for the whole program. So that's the
That
fee
is 2
structure.
years.
And when it comes to, yeah, that's for the whole, I'm telling you, for the whole 18 months. And when the rest of the programs of master, we are offering 25%. For bachelors, the scholarship completely depend on the percentage student is carrying with them. Okay. And that is up to 50. So if your student, you have 90 to 92%, it's slashed down directly 50%, the prices for bachelor student.
And do you offer PhD programs as well?
Yeah, we do have PhD program with us in partners with Uninet Uno. That's doctorate in business administration. That's 4-year program. Lateral entry options are also available for the students, but the student did MPhil twice, they have done their masters, they're directly eligible for 3 years program. If they have their research proposal, they can go ahead with us.
So there is a question from Farul. Can the student apply without IELTS under this one?
Good one. Very good. Very major question student asked. Yes, Farul, that's an option here. If you are recent pass out, if you are passed in 2020 and 2021 on the basis of medium of instruction, we are happy to give you admission. We'll exempt IELTS. However, the IELTS requirement is 6, no less than 5.5. A very equivalent TOEFL, PT, Duolingo score is also acceptable. If you are coming via Greece, then at that moment, if you have passed in last 5 years, that's 18, 19, 20, 21. So at that moment also, MOI, we are accepting that.
So I hope, Farul, your query has been cleared now. Okay, and Surbhi, the one of the most important questions that people wanted to know is what is the medium of instruction? Is the course taught entirely in English, or is it taught in parts in German as well?
No. The course entire duration, we teach it in English itself, completely from starting till end. And German language is what we teach free of cost for enhancement of students for the future opportunities.
And as you told us, the classes are held twice a week.
Yeah, twice. Currently, it's like 5, so it's 2 to 4. When it comes to UCA, it's 4 days. When it comes to Uninet Uno, it's strictly 2 days.
Okay. So can you just tell me, how many hours a week can the student do part-time jobs? Is there any restriction?
Okay. So student can do 120 full days and 240 half days in a year. They can do that job. Mm-hmm. And part-time opportunities are very abundantly available there. Minimum wage is also fixed in Germany, which is 9.5 euros per hour. And it goes as high as 16 euros that currently one of our students is earning in part-time itself. So yeah, the part-time is allowed.
And can you just tell our viewers about the living expenses, monthly living expenses that the students incur generally, a ballpark figure?
Okay, so see, let's divide it. Living expense counts your stay, your meals, let's take entertainment as well, and some miscellaneous. Okay, if a student with 9.5 is per hour earning, they'll earn around 1200 euros to 1500 euros. That's the max. Even if your student is studying, staying there in single occupancy, the max, Berlin is very affordable, Vyom. The max rent that goes is 400 euros. Single, I'm talking about, with your own private bathroom and everything. In fact, one of our students is staying in 1 BHK over there with this kind of rent. Okay, so if when it comes to food and all, 3 meals a day, it costs just 100 euros for a month. I'm including 3 meals a day. Okay, then obviously it depends completely on the lifestyle, but let's include entertainment also. Let's take it 100 to 150 euros. However, it's either part-time for the Indian students or it's studies. That's it. But yeah, okay, let's take it 150 euros and miscellaneous 100. So it goes about 700 to 750 max. And student is living a very, very good standard life over there. Still saving around 500 euros.
Interesting. So Farul is asking, how about Greece? Please guide about part-time jobs in Greece and living cost.
Okay, so Greece is then again much cheaper when it comes to stay. If I'm talking about single occupancy in Berlin, around 400, 450, let's say 200, 250 for Greece. Part-time opportunities are not as widely available as Berlin, but yeah, there are, because their economy and everything completely depends on tourism. But yeah, you can work in Greece also.
And can you shed some light on post-study work permit and the PR process? So how long does it take for a student to apply for PR? And how easy or difficult is it, the PR process, compared to maybe Canada, US, and UK?
Okay, so first thing, I'm not comparing it with anyone. Let's not go on records and comparing countries here. Everyone have their own factors and funds with them. But when it comes to PSW, yes, every student in Berlin who completes their degree successfully, whether it's masters, whether it's bachelor's, eligible for 18 months of PSW. And as I told you in the starting of the session, we help student out to get that PSW. We'll create the file. Okay, so it's 18 months, whether it's but it has to be a degree. Okay, bachelor's, master's, both. Now, when it comes to PR, it's a very straightforward one. Germany is like the third most strongest passport that we have in the world. So you have studied there for 3 months, okay, 3 years. I'm so sorry, 3 years, and then you have a PSW work search visa with for 18 months. Now you start working. Even if you have a tax history of 3 years, that is enough for you to apply for a PR. It's a pretty straightforward one.
Okay, okay, makes sense. And so can you tell me?
They require B1 language. However, let me put it out there. They require B1 German language, and in BSBI, you're already we are teaching you till B2.
And can you shed some light upon the employment opportunities that students get after graduating from BSBI?
Okay, so a student graduated from any institute of Germany is one of the highest employable, I would say, resource out there. Okay, in BSBI, we just don't wait for student to go into third year on their last semester and then we work out. From starting, we work on the overall development skills of the student. We have Cafe Scientific, which is like coffee with Karan of our profession. Okay, a sort of talk show where we are inviting all the professional heads over there, and you get to directly get in touch with them, and they share all their feedbacks. We have job portals where all the this you talk about Amazon, you talk about IBM, Coca-Cola, Facebook. Whenever they have requirement, those are put over there, and BSPI students are first informed. So yeah, we do assist in career, in employability, everything from starting till end.
That is a great step. And so, and can you just tell us about the climate? How's the climate
It's
here around in Germany?
fairly, it's like moderate continental sort of climate. Very moderate summers, not very like very harsh, and quite breezy winters. It could reach till 0, but then again, that's not as very extreme we are talking about here.
And another important question, which is, very a point of concern for the parents while sending their students, their children to other countries, is the student safety. So, how would you rank Germany in that aspect?
It's one of the safest country, I would say, to live in, where let's talk, if we're talking about student, let's talk about like keep it student centric itself. A lot of local government authorities visit students. They have their own kind of audits. Okay, in fact, in VSBA also we have audits. Where it's not just about the safety and everything. We talk them about their emotional happiness and those questions. So they are in direct touch with students. Even police give a special how would say attentions and everything, to the concern of students, though it doesn't reach to concern all the time. But yes, then again, very, very safe place to be in, and to it's because it's an international social eco fabric that's going on. They have lot of people, lot of nationalities, and that's why we have a lot of English speaking people over there. We have a lot of international students there. So yeah, that itself tells.
And so, how much time does the visa processing take in case of Germany?
Okay, so if I talk about a fixed number, it's 45 days.
Okay. And so classes are happening online or offline due to this COVID pandemic?
Okay, so the point that I missed in why BSB, I would like to mention it here. We focus on blended learning. So we have VLE, virtual learning environment. Before even pandemic stuck the world, BSBI was all there on online platforms also. So student can study online and then they can join campus also. So right now, if we take an example, student is currently still like registered with us and everything, they can start their online studies from here itself, and then they can continue once they have the flight tickets. So we have blended learning, we have online, we have offline, both options.
So there is a question that if a student has got refusal from USA and Canada, can he apply for Germany for study visa?
Okay. Let me take it. Let me answer this question like this. It depends the kind. It depends on the reason. First of all, because that's what everyone sees. However, a refusal from any country doesn't stop you to file your visa in Germany. Okay.
And there's another question that the same candidate also wants to know that if students who have done Masters of Physics in India, will he or she be able to apply for the same course?
See, the beauty about Germany, Nitika, is that for them, your intent is what it is matter. Okay, even if you are double masters, if you have different academic background, it doesn't affect them until unless you are able to satisfy them that why do you want to go for this course, they are okay. If I talk particularly about physics, it's a B school. BSBI is a B school. We offer business and management programs. So in BSBI, we don't have such programs, but yes, apart from that, in Germany, you do get a lot of programs like that. And even if you are masters in physics, you can definitely go for another masters.
So there are a few students who wanted to get their profiles assessed. So I'll just ask you to quickly mention the details in the chat box so that we can, you can quickly assess those profiles.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
So Rajni, can you please mention your details?
Yes, sure, sir. It's also like question is about that.
Can you mention the percentages in 10th, 12th graduation and the year of passing?
Yeah, Diksha is a student. We have Master of Science Physics. He has done in 18 and 20 with the aggregate marks in 65%.
In which year?
In 18 to 20.
18.
2018 to 20. He has a Master of Science.
Okay. So first of all, since the background is science,
to apply in same course in the Germany.
Okay, so I think I guess I already answered that when it comes to BSBI specifically, we have business and management programs. We don't have something related to science. But if you want to go for MBA, yeah, we can work that out.
Okay.
Nitika, can you just ask about the other profile that we were talking about?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Just give me a minute. Actually, no, we have already asked about the question that if person has refusal for USA or Canada, will he or she be able to apply for Germany? We have already questioned about that.
All right.
So, Surbhi, there is a profile who did 10th in 2009 with 72%, 12th in 2011, 69%. Then she did diploma in hotel management, I guess, in 2012. In 2016, she went to Cyprus for study. And she came back in 2020, but she did not complete her study over there.
She went for bachelor's.
She went for bachelor's. And then she has 2 refusals for USA, from USA.
quite a tricky profile, but what we can do, I guess there are gaps in between. She works in the similar field or something like that?
So she did diploma in hotel management in 2012. That is her
Okay,
latest degree, from what I understand.
okay. So this is a very admission specific sort of profile, Vyom, for which we have to ask her admissions. If have she like if bachelor's complete ho gayi hoti, then I would have suggested masters.
Right.
But because it's an interrupted studies, then we have to look into this profile.
Sure. So, okay, I'll just mail you the profile and we'll talk about it later.
Yeah, please.
So, anyone who has any questions, please feel free to write in the chat box. Shiven, if you have any questions.
I am Surbi's colleague, so please don't mind me.
Okay. Okay, so Surbi, I guess then we can end this session. And thank you so much for taking out your time.
Thank you so much for having me. And all these profiles, Vyom, you can send me the documents, and case by case basis, I'll talk to you. Right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Take care.
For queries regarding overseas education, contact us at 9899566002, 9999566002, or email at vyom@eduglobeconsultants.com.